Hey dolls! So today's video is going to be a clean up my bathroom with me. A lot of you dolls have requested to see my bathroom. You dolls love like the little like glimpses you see on Instagram and on my like community tab on YouTube. So I have been like wanting to do my weekly clean and I've been holding it off for this video. So yeah, I can't wait to do it. Like I clean my bathroom like deep clean weekly, but I clean my toilet bowl every other day. Sometimes I try to do it every single day, like my actual toilet bowl. And I have some new products I can't wait to test out on my toilet bowl, so I'm going to be showing you dolls in this video. So on that note, grab your coffee, grab your tea dolls, and let's do this. Clean with me, bathroom edition. Let's go dolls. So this is my bathroom dolls in its natural state, and what I mean by natural state is like how it is before I do like a clean, especially as I've been busy in here like just all week. It's been a busy week, so I let it get kind of like this is my messy. I've taken off the floor, I've taken like the little mats that are on the floor off the floor because I'm going to sweep here and I'm going to mop here. I might be cleaning the bathtub today because or I might not, it depends, because my dogs are going to be having their monthly bath in here and I always like to deep clean it after they do that, so I don't know whether to do it now today. I don't know, we shall see. So we're going to be cleaning the actual toilet today, because as I said, I always like a frequent clean of my toilet. I just think it's sanitary, even though it's just me in here. It's just more, it's still, you just have to be sanitary. I'm going to be refreshing some stuff here. This is my my countertop. So what am I going to be refreshing on here? I forgot. Oh, and I always have like my little chair here. I love it, my little beauty chair, because I do my makeup inside the toilet. I don't do it in the actual like I've not fixed my vanity there to do makeup on, so I do it in here. But I'm going to be restocking these, so I'll be putting the little like wipes, like the cotton pads in there, and then what is inside here? Q-tips. That's what I'm going to be restocking, so I have them here ready to go. So I'm going to be restocking these jars that sit here. What else? Oh, this needs to be restocked as well, so I'm going to be restocking this because I hate when it get, don't you hate when these kitchen rolls get down to this? I hate that, like I just don't. And if you're wondering what this is, I'm good. This is what goes on my shower curtain, so love it. It just gives my shower a spa like look to it. I'll show you that at the end. Everything is restocked down here, so I've got all my tissue restocked. Yeah, so we're just going to clean off this table, which means I have to take everything off of here, and I hate doing that, but it's part of the process. And my lashes, this is when you know you're a really girly girl, when you have lashes just sitting in random places, lipstick sitting in random places, makeup brushes, like that's when you know you're a girly girl, when you just have random stuff just sitting there. So yeah, and then nothing to do in this area, not going to clean up there, and replace the soaps because I don't like the soaps that are there right now, and the hand lotions. But yeah, yeah, can you see this? Can you see this? This is dirty, it needs a clean. So let's get started. I might not mop. No, I'm gonna mop. I might not do the bathtub. I just feel like it's a lot today. Maybe in another video. So if you guys want to see a clean with me doing the whole deep clean of the bathroom, then I'll do that. But I just want to concentrate on this area because this area is bothering me and I just want it all clean and back to normal, and organized for the rest of the week. So I guess let's go. Have a clean surface. This feels like when I first moved in. Everything's just like really naked. So now I'm going to be cleaning inside the sink, because as I said, it needs a deep clean. I'm going to be using some baking soda and not apple cider and vinegar, and I'm going to be like scrubbing all of this mess out. And using actually an old toothbrush, because I feel like old toothbrushes really get inside the, like, look at that little dirt ring. That's all my makeup when I wash my hands with makeup on. That's all of that, and all of this like build up. So this happens every week, so that's how much you need to clean, deep clean stuff. And then I'm going to be cleaning also with the same toothbrush around all of here as well. I don't know if you're seeing like all this like build up as well. And so we're going to do that now. So here is how gunky my bathroom looks like within just 1 week of not wiping this down. In fact, I feel like I wiped this down 3 days ago or 2 days ago, and it's already got some build up. And also in the sink, I don't know if you're seeing it properly, but like, can you see all of that? So we're gonna take first the baking soda, so I can let that sit first. So what that does is that it cleans the sink really well. I feel like it does a better job than using like really strong chemicals. As you can see, almost instantly, this is just looking shinier. Did you notice that? I don't know if you're noticing. And it's cleaned that off, and I haven't even started to scrub it. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go over, like I'm gonna rinse it all out, and then I'm gonna like use the, what's it called? The pink stuff. Bathroom foam cleaner, and just go over it, just so, because this gives it a better smell than vinegar, but vinegar does, like, I feel like all the deep cleaning. So I'm letting that sit. As you can see, it's just cleaning all of that mess off. And already around my, like here, the ring, that little brown like makeup ring I had, is coming off. So I love what it does. It's very powerful. So I've let it sit for a bit. I'm just gonna like rinse that out and just, I normally let it sit for like 15 minutes, but I'm going to just do that now because I feel like I'll be sitting here forever. And as you can see, look, can you see that already? Wow, that looks amazing. And I feel like whenever I have a blocked sink, it helps like really take that out, especially if you have a blocked toilet as well, it works. I've rinsed that off, and as you can see, I haven't even scrubbed, but it's like really cleaned and made this shiny. So imagine how like gorgeous this is going to look when I start to scrub everything down. So I'm waiting for this to like hurry up and clean itself, and then I'm going to start with the pink stuff, which is, I love this for my bathroom, so I'm going to use this. dolls, look at that. It's so clean. Do you remember how that looked like? Baking soda is literally the best thing ever with vinegar. And I love my cleaning stuff, not just the baking soda. The pink stuff is really, really good. Can you see all that detail? Like, it's so shiny that you can hear it when I was cleaning. Wow, just wow. And here we have it. Here's how clean my bathroom countertop looks like. I have everything just laid out and perfect and pretty. And I absolutely love this candle, by the way. It's so pretty. I just love it. It's just, everything just looks so clean. And here's my sink. Look at how, like, I can literally put my fingers on here. I can eat out of here. Look how clean everything is. Like, I can just, I love it. Look at this, look how shiny. It all came out really, really pretty. I'm obsessed. My bathroom is just chef's kiss. Look at all of this, and the surface itself is just so smooth. I wish you can touch this. So now I'm going to clean my toilet. Highly, highly recommend. Look at how clean my toilet bowl is. I mean, it was already clean, but you see what I mean. Like, look how clean that is. Highly recommend. And your toilet turns pink. It's a really good product. I love it. I love it. My toilet feels like clean again. Like, everywhere it's just clean, clean, clean. Everywhere. And you always have to get underneath the toilet, because especially if you have like a man that comes over that pees in here, they're gonna get some pee on the bottom. So make sure you really like deep clean your toilet. But yeah, we're done. enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you love about this video, this relaxing clean with me. Let me know what else you want me to clean in my apartment and I will do it. Thank you so much for watching. All the products I use in this video, including the perfume, will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. I was gonna say thank you so much for loving. I love you dolls so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Smooches, bye dolls.